Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. It's bargain bead box time. I have my bargain bead box here. In case you're not familiar, bargain bead box is a monthly subscription of beads and findings. It's $19.49 a month, and that includes shipping in the United States. They have beautiful beads and findings. It's always curated around a different theme each month. And if you're a subscriber to the bargain bead box, you get a 30% off coupon to use in Bead Box Bargains, which is their sister store. And you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So I'm going to get all this sorted out, and I'll be back. Okay, here we go. It looks like we've got some pretty spring colors in this one. The name of it is Spring Blossoms. It says this springtime collection is bursting into bloom with gemstones, including pink rose quartz and green peridot, matte pink aventurine, gold finished hematite leaves, pastel crystals, and glass complete the palette, along with a set of high quality findings. Highlights include a pair of carved rose quartz rose beads, adorable enameled wreath drops, and articulated flower links. And we've got the key on the back here. Looks like we've got 17 items, and it says the approximate total retail value for this shipment is $73. So, hold on just a second and we'll get into this. Okay, number one is a 7.5 inch strand of 10mm matte pink aventurine round beads, natural. And these are really, really pretty. They're just kind of cream colored and peach, and darker ones there. Those are really, really pretty. I love matte beads. I love sparkly beads. I love all the beads. Number two is a 15-inch strand of natural peridot gemstone chip beads. Those are really pretty. That's a very long strand of, it's a lot of beads on there. It's really, really pretty. Number three is a 14-inch strand of 3.5 by 3mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in pastel mix. These are tiny little rondelle beads in pastel colors. They're so sparkly and shiny. Y'all know I love the sparkle and shine. Look, there's a red one right in the middle of, that's a little red one right in the middle of all those pastels. They're all so pretty. They're pinks and greens and creams, and they're just all so pretty. So shiny and sparkly. See, number four is a 14.5 inch strand of 6mm frosted glass beads, pink ombre / gold. These are really cool. They're like frosted on one side, and then the other side is got that gold speckle on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's really, really pretty. I've never seen any like this. That's really neat. Okay, number five is a 15-inch strand of 8mm rose quartz round beads. It says these are dyed. Those are really pretty. I'm not sure if they're as pink as they're looking right now, because that string inside of them, I think, makes them look a little more pink because it's on a pink string, but they're really pretty. It's a big, long strand of gemstones. 8mm rose quartz. Those are really, really nice. And number six is a 24.5mm handmade lampwork glass pink flower bead. That's really neat, and it's drilled through the center. I'll get my rod here and put it through here. It's drilled through the center like that. That's just really, really pretty. Really sparkly. And number seven is 4 pieces a 15 by 10 millimeter, 24 karat gold plated stainless steel lever back ear wires made of hypoallergenic stainless steel. Always love getting ear wires. Can never have too many of those. Number 8 is 1 meter of 2.5 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated stainless steel jewelry chain made of hypoallergenic stainless steel. This looks just like the chain we got in the last box, which I used every single bit of it. So I'm glad to get this, because I used every single bit of the chain in the last box. Little bitty tiny links. And number 9 is 20 pieces, 6 millimeter synthetic hematite leaf beads, golden, man-made. These are really neat. Tiny little leaves. Tiny little gold leaves. They're really, really, really pretty. And then number 10 is 2 pieces, 14 millimeter rose quartz carved rose beads, natural. And these are little carved roses. Those are really neat. And then 11 is 10 grams, 5.5 by 2 millimeter corrugated rondelle beads, gold, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. Those are nice little spacer beads there. A lot of them. And then number 12 is 30 pieces of 6 millimeter leaf bead caps, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. And these are little bead caps. Always love to get bead caps. And then number 13 is 2 pieces, 20 by 21 millimeter flower and bee enameled wreath charms. These are so cute. They got the little flowers there, and then they got a little bumblebee there. I don't like real bumblebees, but they're really cute on here. This might be my favorite thing in the whole box. These are so cute. They're just so cute. And then, I don't know, these are awfully cool too. 2 pieces, 58 by 15 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass 5 flower articulated links, nickel free. So these are really pretty. They've got a hole up here at the top, and then it cascades down. The little flowers cascade down through there, and then the bottom flower has a loop down there at the bottom, like that. I'll have to figure out what we can do with these. These are really, really cool. I've never seen anything like that. Okay, now let's see. Number 15 is 2 sets of 30.5 by 22 millimeter 18 karat gold plated toggle clasps made of gold finished pewter alloy, it says. These are really neat. They're big toggle clasps. That's really neat. I guess that's supposed to look all like a little tree branch or something. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. These are really nice, really pretty. A different size than what we usually get. And then 16 is a 5-inch strand of 3.5 millimeter peridot micro-faceted round beads, natural. These are some teeny tiny little bitty faceted round beads. They're really pretty, and it amazes me how they can facet something that little. They're really, really pretty. Same color as those gemstone chips that we had earlier. And then the last thing, number 17, is a 35 by 31 millimeter rose quartz faceted round pendant with brass, natural. That's really cool. That's the back of it, or I guess that's the back. No, it's probably the front of it here. This would be the front of it, I guess. And this flat part would be the back, yeah. I imagine everybody's will be different since it's natural. That's really neat. Really pretty. So that's everything. Hold on, let me get it all together. I'll be back. Okay, so there it all is. Can't wait to see what we can come up with out of this box. I hope I can do as well with this box as I did with the last one. I made, I think it was 13 pieces of jewelry out of that last box. And I only had like maybe 5 beads left out of the whole box. I hope I can do as well with this one. I really enjoy watching and seeing what everybody makes, how everybody can take the same beads and come up with so many different kind of pieces of jewelry. It's always fun to see that. I still think these little things with these little ones with the bumble beads and flowers are probably my favorite out of the whole box. Y'all let me know in the comments below if you get the box, which one, what was your favorite out of the box? And if you are not a subscriber to the box and you decide you want to, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.